Hello friends, today is the first day of Navratri and on this special occasion today we are making whole wheat laddus. These are the favorite laddus of goddesses Shailaputri and which is a form of Ma Durga. So let's get started. So for that first here I have taken a kadai to which I have added 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. I am going to roast this whole wheat flour on low flame for 10 minutes. As you can see, it's been 10 minutes and the color has drastically changed. I am going to transfer this whole wheat flour to a plate and I am going to allow this to cool. So once I have transferred the whole wheat flour, on the same kadai here I am adding 1 cup of jaggery, to which I am adding 1/4 cup of water, which is approx 4 tablespoons of water. I am going to combine this well and cook on low flame for 4 minutes. Now we are going to cook on low flame for 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes now and as you can see the color has changed. Now we are going to switch off the flame and immediately after 1 minute I am going to start adding the whole wheat flour. So this is the consistency you need for the jaggery. It will be sticky and thread like texture because we are not adding any edible gum to this laddus. So that's why we need the jaggery to be sticky. So to this I am adding the roasted whole wheat flour. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, which is also known as ghee. So you need to add the thick part of the clarified butter. To this I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, also known as elaichi powder. I am going to combine this well and we need a sand type texture. So this sweet or laddu is basically made on the first day of Navratri and we offer it to Ma Shailaputri. So definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. So now this looks perfect, just like sand. So now to this I am going to add chopped almonds. So here I am adding 6 finely chopped almonds. You can add pistachios as well. I am going to combine this. To this I am again going to add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, that is thick clarified butter. And we are going to combine this nicely. So now it started to form a little bit like laddus. Now to this I am going to add 3 tablespoons of room temperature milk. So first you add only 2 tablespoons, then combine it and then accordingly add 1 more tablespoon of milk. And now combine this, and this laddu will be little sticky in texture, but it's fine. Later on it will start to harden up. So now the dough mixture will be little wet. So now after combining I am going to apply a little bit of clarified butter on my hands and I will start making laddus. So every time before making the laddus just apply little bit of clarified butter on your hands and make laddus. And a whole wheat laddus are ready. Please do try this recipe for this Navratri and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching. And I'm not going to break this laddus and show because I'm going to keep these laddus as a naivedya for माँ शैलपुत्री।